and the last one is close. I don't want to click it because it will close our job. Now if you point to it without clicking, you should be seeing tool tips. It will be giving you the names of each tool. So that is that for title bar. The next one that follows it, the menu bar. Now on the menu bar we have file, we have home, we have insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, developer, WPS PDF. WPS PDF is another application. It's just a link to it. You can use this one to view books created with a spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel. The developer is not always here, and there are other menus that can out here, out here, out here. If you go to option, you can be able to add menus or remove them. So we do that by going to your file menu. So we'll start with the file. The file menu is used for viewing information of the job, the current job you are working on. The new can be used to create a new document. If I click on it, you see it brings up blank new and says this is a previous, is a template for a sales report. And if I click anyone, see I've clicked on new, it has created a new document. It's showing one because it's the first job I'm creating today with Excel. So there is open. This one will open an existing document. Shortcut is Control O. Now I want to open the one on computer. I can open on recent, which I've shown here. I just click on it and it will be opened. Or I open from OneDrive from computer. On computer I can choose from the which other location it is, maybe Flash, recent. The Flash now is the current folder that the job we are working on is saved, and we have other folders that we accessed recently. That's CS, instrument, and all of that. Now we have save. Had it been okay, I've saved this job already, so I can click on save. It will just save the current progress, the current changes I've made to it. Or I'll go to save as to save it in a different location. Now it is currently in the folder Flash. Maybe I want to save it on the desktop straight now. On top of the desktop, click on desktop. So I can be able to save it on the desktop. I can choose not to change name, or I will change the name to lesson 2 or so. Then click on save to save. I can choose to change the format. Look at PDF here, portable document format. I can choose to change it here. And if I save it, I cannot be able to edit with Excel properly unless I reconvert it to Excel spreadsheet book. Next one is export to WPS PDF. That is the one that you saw on the menu bar there. We have print. I thought about print. I will put a link to the print so that you can be able to check it yourself. We have share, where you can share to mail or put a link on your crowd so that people can use it with you. We have export. This is the same thing as export to PDF and then XPS. We have close, which will close our job but will leave the application running. Let's initiate this one. Click on close. That's closed the job. So we'll open it back. I don't want to go to its location. I'll just right click and choose on the recent. So it will be opened up. So we now have